Hi guys, it's Nick James from productmarketer.com, and I'm recording this video for you because if you're like me and you market products and services on the internet, or you're an information publisher or a software developer, the chances are that you want to be able to move the scripts that you create and you write for your video sales letters and take them from Microsoft Word and put them into PowerPoint. So you can create a video sales letter. So you can use a software program like Camtasia or some other screen recording software to make a video out of your slide presentations. So listen, I've got sick and tired of Googling sketchy solutions on Google. I'm sick and tired of crappy webinar software that promises that it can do it and it doesn't. So what I wanted to do after having a play around with this is show you how to do it. So pay attention for the next 4 or 5 minutes and you'll learn exactly how. The first thing that we're going to start off with is a standard copy of Microsoft Word. Now I'm using a Mac. I'm sure it's exactly the same on a PC as well. You'll have to give it a try, but I'm a Mac user now. So what we do is we look at the script, and this is the script that I have recorded into a microphone and edited, and I'm going to marry up with my PowerPoint presentation. But the first thing to understand is this is where you need to start preparing your script for PowerPoint, and by that I mean that make sure that you only have one carriage return, one space, one empty line between your paragraphs. If you were to put in another carriage return like this, then it would actually end up being a blank slide in your PowerPoint presentation, and over quite a lot of paragraphs and a lot of pages, that turns into a lot of slides that you need to start deleting. So the first thing is to make sure that you have it formatted in this way. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to use Command or Control A to select absolutely everything, and then you want to go up here and click on Heading 1. Now, when we import things into PowerPoint, PowerPoint's going to look for two things, Heading 1 and Heading 2. Heading 1 will be anything that goes into the title box, and Heading 2 will go into default text boxes within your PowerPoint master slide template. I'll show you that in a second, but the first thing is for the average video sales letter. What you want to do is you just want to make sure you've selected everything and have it selected to Heading 1. Once you've done that, you want to then save this, but you want to save it as a rich text file. Okay, so instead of doc or .x, save it as a .rtf file, which you can find in the drop down list there. Okay, once you've done that, we've actually finished everything we need to do with our Word document. So by the way, all I'm doing here is I'm using text. I'm going to insert any images I want later on. I've not played around with images on this at all. But here we are with a presentation. And what I'm going to draw your mind to at the moment is if we click on View, and we're going to go to the Slide Master tab. On the Slide Master tab, I'm pretty much only interested in what they call the title slide. What I've done with the title slide, I've drawn the title box. It was much smaller, but I've dragged it out to be almost the full size of the slide. The other thing that I've done as well is I've double clicked and highlighted all the words. I've then clicked on the Home tab and I've selected both the font face and the font size that I want. And the other thing that I've done as well is I've put it in the center. And if you scroll over here just to the right of all those like align left, right and center buttons, there's this one here which says align text, and if you click on the arrow to the side of that, you can align things to the top of your text box, the middle of your text box, or the bottom of your text box. The best look that I feel that I get is when I select middle, so that's what I've done here. And then we'll just go back over to where it says Slide Master, and I'm going to click the X button. And as you can see, I haven't got any slides in here just yet, so that's what we're going to do next. Still on the Home ribbon, we're going to go over here to where it says New Slide, and you'll notice there is a little drop-down box next to the big button for the new slide. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to go down here to this option that says Outline, and now I'm going to navigate to my Word document, which is saved as that rich text document, which is this one here. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to click on Insert. And then what will happen is all of those paragraphs will be brought into Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, as you can see, it still looks kind of ugly. It's unformatted. The text is almost off the edge and it doesn't look like it's in my text box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here in the slide sorter, and again I'm going to go Control or Command A to select everything. And then I'm going to go to where it says Layout. I'm going to use the drop down box and then select from the Slide Master. I'm going to select the title slide, which is the only type of slide that I formatted, and you can see, boom, it's dropped everything into the font face, font size, and the area that I previously selected from my master. And then as you go down, you can see that now everything pretty much looks as I want to. And of course I can go in and I can edit various slides or what have you. But that's how you can quickly jump from a Microsoft Word into a PowerPoint presentation. Makes it nice and easy. And of course, if you wanted to go and insert pictures, change your background, all that kind of good stuff, you can do that as well. So this is Nick James. Hope you found this extremely useful. And for more videos, articles, tips and techniques about marketing, information products, software, and all sorts of different things online, make sure you check out the website. Thanks for watching and good luck. Bye for now.